You know what? I just flagged something massive happening in XRP right now, and honestly, the numbers are kind of shocking. Let's break it down. So here's where we are right now with XRP. The price is sitting at $1.1095, and we've actually seen a nice little plus 4.56% bump in the last 24 hours. Now, I've been watching this for a while, and you know what I've noticed? When everyone's panicking, that's usually when the interesting stuff starts happening. We've got about 78.91 million XRP changing hands today, so people are definitely paying attention. Okay, here's why this number matters. The RSI is at 39.65 right now, which means we're getting close to that oversold territory. You know what that usually means? Bounce time. But here's the really interesting part. The MACD histogram just flipped positive to 0.0030. That's like seeing the first green shoots after winter. Momentum is starting to shift. We're trading above those shorter moving averages, but still below the big ones at $1.1555 and $1.4452. Those are our resistance levels to watch. Now, the macro picture is, well, it's actually pretty neutral right now. The correlation data shows something fascinating, though. XRP has a minus 0.76 correlation with the dollar index. In plain English, when the dollar gets weaker, XRP tends to get stronger. And right now, we're not seeing any major global events shaking things up, which sometimes is exactly what crypto needs to do its own thing. On the regulatory front, it's been pretty quiet lately. But here's something that caught my eye. All the XRP ETFs are showing outflows totaling about $13.1 million. Now that might sound scary, but you know what I've learned? Sometimes institutional money moves slow, and retail money moves fast. If this thing pops, those institutions might be kicking themselves later. The mood right now is, well, let's just say it's not great. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 22, which screams extreme fear. But here's the thing about extreme fear. It often marks the bottom. When everyone's terrified, that's usually when the smart money starts quietly accumulating. Search interest is low at 34, which means we're flying under the radar right now. The big players are doing something interesting. We've got 82 whale transactions happening, and they're moving serious volume. We're talking 366.4 billion XRP. When whales start moving like this during fear periods, it usually means they know something the rest of us don't. Or they're setting up for something big. In plain English, the Elliott Wave analysis suggests we're in a corrective phase right now. The Wyckoff method is showing potential accumulation. Basically, this could be smart money quietly building positions while everyone else is scared. The confidence level is only 30% though, so we need to see more confirmation. So what does the AI think? Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. The AI is showing a 97% probability that XRP hits $1.6226 in the short term. Wait, that's not all. For the 7-day target, it's predicting $1.7787 with a 98.1% confidence. But here's where it gets a bit more realistic. The 30-day prediction comes down to $1.3832 with 54.1% confidence. So the AI is basically saying, big bounce coming, but don't get too greedy. But here's what could go wrong. That extreme fear at 22 on the index, it could get worse before it gets better. And those ETF outflows show institutions are still nervous. Plus, we've got some heavy resistance levels above us that might be tough to crack. The whale activity could also swing the other way if they decide to dump instead of pump. Alright, here's what I'm thinking based on all this data. This looks like a conditional BIY for the short term. If you're thinking about jumping in, I'd watch for entries between $1.05 to $1.08. Your first target should be around $1.35, and if we really get momentum, $1.55 is possible. But please, set your stop loss at 95 cents, because crypto can be, well, you know how crypto can be. I might be 97% confident, but I always plan for that 3% chance it's wrong. That's it for today. If this helped you understand what's happening with XRP right now, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-driven analysis. Remember, I'm just looking at the data here. Always do your own research. See you next time.